So it's really for us about augmenting our business's personal approach and our team and their intelligence and expertise with the powerful tools to unleash that and accelerate our clients' business performance.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. I'm currently in New York City at Advertising Week, where I'm now delighted to be joined by Domenic Venuto, EVP, Chief Product and Data Officer at Horizon Media. Domenic, such a pleasure to sit down with you. Really looking forward to this conversation.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Ryan.
Domenic, there's a fascinating duality in the marketing world right now. On one hand, an explosion of data and AI-powered tools, and on the other, a renewed focus on authentic human connection. As an agency that believes business is personal, how do you help brands navigate that delicate balance?
Yeah, it's a great question. And in fact, the agency business, and one of the things that I love about the agency business, and I've been in it for over 2 decades, is this dynamicism that exists. Like every 6 months, we're going through radical change, and
Right.
every 3 or 4 years, there's another tsunami of technology innovation. I mean, we lived through programmatic trading. We had the iPhone reinvented mobile advertising, and then we had video and streaming. Now we have AI and the data that's powering AI. And to be sure, this is the fastest, sharpest transformation that I've seen in my career. Like innovation cycles today are 6 weeks. That means
Wow.
every 6 weeks, you're seeing a significant enhancement to the LLMs that are coming out. You see new innovation hitting the markets. You see new startups coming in, and it's hard. Like it's hard to keep up. You need to build a platform that factors that in, which is what we've done with our AI native Blue application. But to your question, the AI is purely a tool, and we add it and augment our teams, the human intelligence that comes with that. So we see it more as of providing these tools to our teams and our clients to be thought partners, to accelerate access to information, to democratize access to the data, and get results back, and be able to follow a line of questioning without extended delays between questions that would normally exist if you're interrogating a data set using data scientists and have to write an email to go get an answer. So it's really for us about augmenting our business's personal approach and our team and their intelligence and expertise with the powerful tools to unleash that and accelerate our clients' business performance.
Fantastic perspective and overview, Domenic. Your marketing platform, Blue, is at the center of your vision. How does your data strategy within the AI Data Cloud serve as the central nervous system for your teams, unifying everything from insights to analytics?
Yeah, so Blue is our AI native application that sits on top of our unified data set that allows us to understand consumer behavior across all touch points. We use our clients, we bring our clients' data in for them, and we enrich their data and give it back to them. And all of that's happening within the Snowflake data cloud. And you're a great partner with us, so we appreciate that. And then we've built this AI native application layer on top of that data set. We're set about democratizing access to the data to answer real business questions that have proven elusive for marketers, despite all of the technology that we've thrown to date. The average marketer is overwhelmed with choice. It's almost a marketing emergency, despite all the data that we have, despite all the screens, despite some of the technology that we've applied. We've made it more confusing for marketers to answer simple questions. How many customers are likely to churn in the next month? What message most resonates with this particular consumer segment? And by providing an AI native application layer, democratizing access to that data set using natural language to get the responses has been a true unlock for us.
It's wonderful to hear. Thank you for that, Domenic. Horizon Media is committed to a new level of data trust. How does the Blue platform provide a single source of truth so that if two people ask the same question, they get the same trusted answer?
Yeah. Well, going back to business is personal, trust is built on personal
Right.
relationships and built over time. How do we replicate that in a digital application, digital tool, one that's driven by AI? So for us, it's not about a black box. We open that up and we expose how the AI generates its answers. So it's full transparency into the query. And you can see the tables that the query is pulling from. You can see keywords. You can even see the SQL code that is being generated. So I can take that code and run it in an external environment and get the same result. So providing that level of transparency builds trust with our internal teams for sure, builds trust with our clients that they can rely on that data being accurate.
Love to hear it. And can you give us a tangible example of Blue's AI capabilities in action?
Yeah, a good example recently was we were working with a CMO of a large national brand, and for them, churn is a big business pain point. So the ability to ask the LLM, which of my customers are likely to churn in the next 2 months, and then have the system pull back an audience size of roughly 2 million users that had the potential to churn with a confidence factor tied to that. And that was all done within 2 minutes.
Wow.
Now, you imagine in a prior world, that question was asked of a data science team, run the analysis, and then report back. And if there were any questions, repeating that cycle. But now I can use natural language to get to that answer. I mean, we're about solving real business challenges for our clients and helping them drive growth. And it's something as simple as that has been elusive up until now.
Domenic, it's an exciting next chapter. I look forward to seeing what comes next. Looking ahead, what's top of mind for you and the team this week at Advertising Week as you prepare clients for the next chapter of data-driven marketing?
I love these environments where you've got a congregation of people from all over the industry and all walks of life coming together. Again, business is personal, so the opportunity to meet people and have a dialogue and understand where innovation is happening. Innovation is in a 6-week time cycle. So if you think about that, like Ad Week is a perfect opportunity to catch up on the latest, what's moving, what's getting traction. So for me, being at Ad Week and interacting with people, it's about canvassing the network. We've built an AI native application, which is Blue, that is open. It's an open ecosystem. It's designed to have other tools and platforms and data sets plug into it. So being at Ad Week is an opportunity for us to look at who are the partners that we need to be integrating with and who can provide value back to our clients in partnership with Horizon Media.
I absolutely love it. It's safe to say it's all happening in New York this week. Such a pleasure sitting down with you. Thank you again.
Thanks, Ryan, for having me.
And for the audience watching, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.